Hey Pure Family! We are from the purelifedmv team. I'm Paciencia.
And I'm Sapphire, and we're here today to talk about a product that will kick your metabolism. If you're feeling tired,
Fatigue,
or just can't get out of bed in the morning,
try Metabolic
Metabolic
One. Metabolic One is a product that supercharges your metabolism throughout the day. So whereas you would normally burn a certain type of calories, this is going to cause you to burn even more calories because it just gets you moving internally. There's so many good things about this product in general. So if you are somebody who is not used to exercising, or you are starting to try to introduce exercising into your diet, this is a great assistant. Because it makes diet changes and proper sleep go back into order. So it helps you manage your weight, which is different from a lot of products. It helps you with that daily routine, right, Sapphire?
yes. And if you're a person that has a tedious job, or is like everything's routine and monotonous, this will help you get the energy that you need to wake you up in the morning. Just so your body, and you'll feel a lot different than you normally would. And you'll notice that you'll also be getting up on time. You'll just jump up before your alarm clock as well. And I can attest to that one.
Yeah, and one of the reasons why it does that is because it allows your body to utilize the insulin more effectively. So it helps curb the appetite, but it allows your body to use the sugars in your body different and more effectively, so you don't have that sluggish morning. So I just want to read from the website a couple of cool things about this product. So one of the cool things, it has L-theanine, which is an amino acid found in green tea, combined with adaptogen herbs, which can produce a calming effect to alleviate stress, which we all need. Thank you, Lord. Bitter orange, which can support healthy metabolism and boost energy levels. Chromium, which is one of the proprietary metabolic blends, but it helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. How important are blood sugar levels, Sapphire?
It's very important, especially if you're diabetic, or if you just have low sugars in general, or high sugars in general.
Yes.
It just helps you even kill. It levels you out and stabilizes you, especially if you have that sugar like high in the mornings.
Yes.
But hopefully you'll be using our other products so that you will not have to have a crash, or have that like energy high in the morning and then crash.
Exactly. So another thing it has the rind of the Garcinia gambogia in it, which is the purple fruit from Asia that gives you curbs your appetite and supports fat metabolism. Another thing is rhodiola, which can help fight fatigue in stressful situations. It's a natural caffeine. Another thing that's really cool about this is it's gluten-free and it's preservative-free. So with our products, there is a difference between pure and organic. So the company is called Pure, and these products are pure because that's what they are. What's in the bottle or on the bottle is actually what's in the product. So much so that our products are written in the physician's reference desk book. So if you are a medical doctor, you know exactly what that means. Yes, you can prescribe this as a medicine. So there's no added secret hidden ingredients. Whatever is on the label is what's in it. So you can't be listed in that book if that's not how your products are. So we have had amazing effects with this product. And again, it is pure, not organic. There's a difference. There's no preservatives in here, so which means that it can spoil over time. It is pure, not organic. Big difference. Great products to use, and that was our review on the Metabolic One, and we hope you enjoyed it. We will see you next time.
Take care.